Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to image using Canva. And I will create a thumbnail like picture where I will explain you everything regarding shadows, right? So first of all, on the top right there is option to create an image. Whatever the dimension of your image, you can just choose from here, or you can just take it from directly from here, right? So I will just take a, for example, let's say that this is a YouTube thumbnail. Then I will be redirected to a new page here, right? So it's completely blank. So for right now I'll just take a land, right? I'll just drag and drop here, right? I will choose this. I will make this image as my background. Now I just want to put a tiger here, right? So here you can see that I've already removed the background. By the way, if you don't know, that it's a AI which completely remove the background in an instant. I don't have Canva Pro, that's why I'm using this third party, right? It's called remove.pg. Okay, so here I will just drag my tiger here. Now tiger is here. Now I want to put a shadow, I want to put a depth to my image, right, of the tiger. So how I can do it? For example, you have to select the image here, then you have to go to the edit photos, right? Once you go to the edit photos, on the left side you will see a lot of features. Now here this is called effects. Under the effects you can see this is option of shadow. So I'll just click on shadow. Depending upon your requirement you can choose it. For example, I want shadow like a drop one. I will explain you one by one anything, everyone. So this is a glow feature. So glow feature is something like that. It will give a little bit depth on all sides of tiger, right? So here I can just increase the size of the depth, right? So in this way you can just do it. For example, even though, let me show you this, and I can put a blur here, right? And this is angle, on whichever angle you want to put the shadow, right? So it's pretty much easier to do it. And once you do it, you can just zoom out the image picture of the size like that, right? So this is the first thing, and this is a drop down which I use a lot, and a lot of people in the Canva use this drop down feature of, right? So I will just increase the shadow, right? And same thing, you can just play with it and you will get an idea. If you will want a, a very dark shadow, you can increase the intensity of the shadow, right? And you can also change the direction of the shadow, for example this, right? And same goes for outline. Outline is something like for creative people. Of course you are creative, so you can just use according to your requirement, right? So in this way I like this drop down one, right? And size is something like this. And I will just change my angle, and this is a distance I want to put, right? So this is done, and this is how you can play with shadows and add the shadows, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.